Hello everyone. Welcome back to Advantage, where we explore fascinating concepts and ideas to enhance your personal and professional life. Today, we're diving into a philosophy that has transformed industries and individuals alike: Kaizen. Originating from Japan, Kaizen is all about continuous improvement. And in this video, we'll unravel its principles and explore how you can apply them to achieve success in various aspects of your life. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to embark on the journey of continuous improvement. Let's get into it. Kaizen, derived from the Japanese words kai, meaning change, and zen, meaning good, translates to change for better or continuous improvement. It's not just a business strategy, it's a way of life that focuses on making small, incremental changes to achieve significant improvements over time. The roots of Kaizen can be traced back to post-World War II Japan, when companies like Toyota embraced this philosophy to enhance productivity and quality. Now, let's explore the core principles of Kaizen that make it so powerful. Kaizen emphasizes the idea that improvement is an ongoing process. It's not about waiting for a major crisis or a big project to make changes. Rather, it's about making small improvements consistently. This principle encourages a mindset of continuous reflection and adaptation. Standardizing processes is crucial in Kaizen. By establishing best practices, you create a baseline for improvement. This ensures that everyone in the organization is working towards the same goals and using the most effective methods. Kaizen identifies and eliminates waste in all its forms. This includes time, materials, and resources. By doing so, businesses can streamline their processes, reduce costs, and become more efficient. One unique aspect of Kaizen is the emphasis on empowering employees at all levels to contribute to the improvement process. It recognizes that those closest to the work often have valuable insights. This empowerment fosters a culture of collaboration and innovation. Kaizen events are focused, time-limited activities, where a team works intensively on improving a specific process. These events are structured and goal-oriented, ensuring that improvements are made swiftly and effectively. Now that we understand the principles, let's see how Kaizen is applied in business settings. Kaizen is a cornerstone of the just-in-time manufacturing system pioneered by Toyota. This approach minimizes inventory and production times, responding to customer demand more efficiently. It's a testament to how continuous improvement can revolutionize an entire industry. Kaizen's focus on eliminating defects and improving processes has a direct impact on product and service quality. By constantly refining and enhancing, businesses can deliver higher quality products, leading to increased customer satisfaction. Kaizen recognizes that employees are the backbone of any organization. Engaging them in the improvement process not only brings diverse perspectives, but also boosts morale and fosters a sense of ownership. But Kaizen isn't just for the boardroom. It's a philosophy that can be applied to our personal lives as well. Here's how. Embrace a Kaizen mindset in your personal growth journey. Instead of waiting for significant life events, commit to continuous learning. Small, consistent efforts in acquiring new skills or knowledge can lead to significant personal development over time. Apply Kaizen principles to your health by making gradual, sustainable changes to your diet and exercise routine. It's not about drastic transformations, but rather about building habits that contribute to long-term well-being. Efficient time management is another area where Kaizen can make a difference. Identify small improvements in your daily routines, eliminate time-wasting activities, and optimize your schedule for maximum productivity. As we conclude our exploration of Kaizen, remember that it's not about making giant leaps, but taking small, consistent steps towards improvement. Whether in your professional endeavors or personal life, the philosophy of Kaizen empowers you to become better every day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts on Kaizen. Subscribe for more content on self-improvement and success. Until next time, keep improving, keep evolving. This is your host, signing off from his vantage.